Welcome guys to another episode here. In this episode I just want to show something simple. This will be a quick tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to actually change colors based on the condition on a certain number. So yeah, let's start reading a number here. Okay, let's quickly have it like a black number. Make it a bit bigger. Yeah. So I did a small data piece or a data type, I mean. So here it is. A score, it only consists of two items. So it's basically the first number. I just put any number, which in this case I put 98. Okay, it's wrong. Let me not make it 98. Let me make it 0.98, because if this number is going to be like a percentage, the best thing to do on Bubble is to, when you add those numbers, they must come through like this, and then you convert it to percentage on the other side. You can put them straight as a whole number here, like 98, and then maybe on the front end there you make like a percentage, like a sign. But I personally like to put it this way, because even when I export this file to Excel, it's much better for me to actually do or work on it. So yeah, let's get to it. This is the data type as I showed you, number and the band number. So does it matter the naming here? The band number is the one which I'm going to use it for the bar gauge. This one is to be just plain number. Let's go to design. That number. Let's fetch the first number. Let me remove this. Okay, dynamic. Right. Score. There's no construct to put here because we're not going to work it against any username or any activity. So let's see, it must show us the first number, which is the first item, which is the first number, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Right, let's go and preview this. Come on. Here it is. Let me just quickly put it in percentage format. Multiply by 100 to make it a percentage. Yeah. I really need to clean this laptop. It's in shambles. All right, let's see. Yep, that's that number. Let me say it's a percentage. Where is it? Yeah. Sorry. Let me edit after the brackets. It is a percentage. So it's 98%. So what I'm going to do is make a conditional. For an example, if whatever this score is, if it's less than this, it must be this. If it's greater than this, must be this. So let's go to conditional on that item, and I will just simply say do a search for. I'm going to search for the same data type. No construct in it here, because we're just fetching a simple thing. But when you build your app, is going to be much bigger. You're probably going to put those constructs there. If you're building a dashboard, so meaning that whosoever is logged in, when they see their score, will be like that. Perhaps, maybe. It's totally up to you. So the first number, if that first number is, let's say, less than 50, in this case 50 will be 0.5, right? The color must be red. So red should show like the person or whatsoever activity is not in good standing, so it must be red. And then this is the first one. Let's go do the second one. I just copy and paste. I don't want to start from scratch. So I'll say if it's greater or equals to 50, let it be yellow. Show me yellow. Okay, cool. Let's go to the third one. If it's greater or equals to 75, must be green. Green means go. Cool. Let's see. Yep, it's green because it's 95. But let me just quickly do some changes here and there on the database. Let me change that number to be 65. Save 65. Let's see, it should change. Yeah, it's yellowish or orangish. Let's change it to be 45. Why am I saying 45? Okay, save this quickly. See, it's right. It will just change the number according to the condition. So when you're building a dashboard and whatsoever, you might find this will be very much useful, so that immediately when the person is logged in, they will be able to see the certain metrics they need to pay attention to, whatever the case might be. Cool. Let's go to the next one. This one, I'm going to use this number here to be displayed in a bar format. In this case, you simply need to go to install what you call plugins, and you go and look for, you add a plugin. I'm looking for bar. So here it is. I've already installed it. You just click install. When it's done, it's done. You press done. You are back on the other page, and then you can start working. So let's see. Progress bar, it is. Yeah. So let's go to the percent. Let's go fetch that data, the second row. Yes, I want is underscore, and again no construct here because I'm just fetching a simple number for now. First item, obviously. Let's go by number, and you will need to multiply this by 100. So let's go to multiplied by 100. Cool. Let's check it out. Simple bar gauge, man. Simple bar gauge. But I want to change the color as like I did also like on the first one. So it's the same thing. It's like literally the same thing. You go to conditional, you go to do a search for, then you go to score, then you're going to look for, sorry, first item, bar number in this case. And if that bar number is less than 50, which 50 will be 0.5, it must be, the progress bar itself must be red. Instead of this color here, I want it to be red to show danger. Copy paste this one because it's going to speak to the same. Let me change it. Okay, it's fine. I just need to change this one. If it's greater or equals to, this is actually orange, not yellow, right? Okay, cool. I think I'm a bit colorblind, I think. But let's change this to green if it's greater or equals to 75. Alrighty, let's see. Ooh, nice. Don't worry about the design, guys. We can obviously do that in a later stage. So it's working. Now I just want to change it there to double check it to see. Okay, let's give me 80. If it's changed to 80, what will the bar look like? What will the bar look like? Ooh, looks nice. This, like, whether if you're developing a game or whatsoever the case might be, or this works, man. This works. Let's change it to something which I never